All right, today we're going to do a quick video of our Harig Easy Surf 618 hydraulic surface grinder. It's serial number 277-EZ. It's new in 1997. This machine has variable spindle speed. Right now it's running at 1500 RPM. The grinding wheel is very, very quiet. It's also equipped with the enclosure. We're going to jog the machine. That's your Z-axis, in and out. You have your jog buttons up here, and then you also have electronic hand wheels. Then you also have your Y-axis. Again, you have a hand wheel over here. And then you can also jog through the control. Start the table so you can see the reciprocation. The reciprocation is variable through here. This knob. You can speed up or slow down. The machine is equipped with an OS Walker chuck controller, an electric chuck. You can see here. Shuts off. Machine has a coolant pump. You can see the control here. It does your basic functions. It has a conversational control. Machine's in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse and can be seen under power. Thank you.